Here with a look at Gala. This bottom that we said was in has held perfectly. We called that, didn't really call it. All right, we went off of the weekly chart here, and this just seemed like the most logical place for this thing to hold up. All right, made a higher low, number one. Number two, it was just the Fibonacci levels. It was right through that 786. Okay, we just right back on the support back through here on a weekly. Just expected that area to hold, and it has. All right, now it came up and hit our price target that we put for the last video. I don't know, a week or so ago, whenever we did the last Gala video. It might have been longer than that, but we put a price target up here. Okay, we ended up hitting that. Was that off of this? Yeah, it was right off of this top right here, which gave us the this target range right up in here. All right, we ended up hitting that, and then pulling back down to this support line, which we bounced off of beautifully. Excuse me. Now if we take a fib, you can see Gala is bouncing beautiful again right off that 786, okay, and marching its way up. The big area to pay attention to with Gala is going to be coming up here. All right, I'm going to show you that area. You're going to want to see a break of this area right up through here. Okay, this area, I'm going to work this out for you. You're going to want to see a break of that. Okay, the reason I say that, you don't want to see any kind of ABC come in here. You want to see a clear break of this 786.02387. All right, and if we break through them areas and then we take out this high at 2.5 cents, the next target would be up at 0.0295. All right, now if we get rejected there and this rolls over, all right, and then you're looking at the other side of it. You know, you're looking at an ABC to the downside, back down to 0.016. Now let's look at some RSIs and see if they give us any indication of where this thing could be heading. Yeah, it still has some more up room here regardless, I would imagine. At least back up to the 618 retracement area. So let's take a look here. The daily, wow, the daily is just starting to the upside. That's fantastic. Okay, 12-hour, still bullish, looking great. 8-hour, right at the very top. Your weekly, right at the very top, 84 and an 85. Your monthly, look at that monthly, right at the bottom. That's fantastic. Your 5-day, 80 and an 85, bearish, and your 3-day. 3 days trying to turn back up. You can see on the bottom RSI it has turned back up. You got your 3-day trying to make a turn back to the upside there. All right, so if we zoom out on this thing, all right, we're going to come out here. Let's get this off here. All right, let's go on a weekly chart here. All right, this thing could potentially have a pretty serious run back up here. Okay, last time we got down to these levels, you can see, I mean, the run we had back up over here. Last time we got down in this area, you can see this run up here, down to the bottom, back up, down to the bottom. You would expect, you know, a possible return back up to the upside. Now, not saying it's going up here, but a normal retracement off of this high over here at 8 cents, a normal retracement would be up here 0.058 to 6.5 cents. That would be absolutely normal, okay? Especially if we get Bitcoin dominance dropping and we get this alt season that we're looking for. Bitcoin dominance is at 58.15. We're looking for that 60%, okay? And then watching for this thing to roll over. But in the meantime, this is the area you're going to want to watch and keep an eye on very, very closely. All right, right through here, this box right in here. Here's your price targets. Like I said, any break at 0.0238, and then there's a very good chance that we could be heading up to this next target up here. Okay, right up through this zone, right up here. All right, now we hit this target here, so let's get that off there. that is done and over with. Let's get it off there right now. Okay, now we have made higher highs and higher lows. That's a great sign of an uptrend. You got this high, you got this low, you got a higher high, you got a higher low. Now we're going to see a higher high come in here, right? And see this continue. It has held this trend line, this white trend line coming up through here. So right now, Gala is looking fine, okay? There's no sign of any breakdown occurring in here. There's, higher highs and higher lows. That's what you want to see here, especially out on the daily. So fingers crossed, we break through this 0.0238, then 2.5 cents. And there would be our next target range. Okay, looking for Caspa or not Caspa, Gala to make some decent moves here coming up. All right, this alt season starts, and this thing could really make a run. No question about it. Everything out there is going to go. Doesn't mean Gala's going to get left behind, but so far off this bottom, we are up. And if you're interested, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. Come over and trade with us in Discord. We've been absolutely hammering it this week on Fetch and Pepe, making big money. The level 3 membership, you get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, how to use your trading view, how to long and short, all that stuff. Plus, you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. We would love to have you over there. We got over 200 people in there, people that have been there for months and months and months. We got some very, very good traders over there. Everybody helps everybody out. We're posting trades every day. So, consider it. Just sign up for a month. If you don't like it, cancel it then. But if you're making money, hang in there with us. $15, that's nothing to make on a trade. So, give it a shot. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll be back to you soon.